sound is. Even a hunting bow makes it. Michael will talk about sound. Its properties and laws will not seem like flower. You will now recognize the first property. People call it volume. It is determined by the amplitude. Loudness doesn't cause calls. Amplitude varies by wave size. This is how I try to explain it, but don't confuse it with wavelength. These concepts are not equal. Now I will explain to you the speed of sound. This is the duration of the source oscillation. Frequency is directly related to speed. Compare with speaker vibration time. Measuring the speed is not very difficult. This is a very important property. It is calculated using the formula. There is a lot of computational freedom. Sound frequency matters a lot. It's easy to understand right away. This is how often the body vibrates. Studying sound is a good thing. In the text it is denotative. Frequency determines the tone of a sound. Don't confuse frequency with other properties. Frequency is a very important property.